Thanks for listening to Michigan Mornings on your favorite podcasting platform. Don't forget you can also listen and find other great Catholic podcasts and listen to live Catholic radio with the free Ave Maria radio app. You can download it now from the App Store or Google Play. The Ave Maria radio app, it's the app that will change your life. Good morning. It is Thursday, December 12th, and today is the Feast of Our Lady of Guadalupe. This is Michigan Mornings from Ave Maria Radio and the Ave Maria Radio app. I'm Matthew Handley. Coming up, reaction to the murder of UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson. But first, your local weather and this news. The Michigan House closed its gallery for several hours yesterday because of undisclosed security concerns. In a statement, the House Democratic Caucus said it closed the gallery, quote, with reluctance and in consultation with the House sergeants and Michigan State Police. Lawmakers were trying to tackle an agenda of nearly 100 bills, which went later into the evening. Among those were several criminal justice reforms that would allow prisoners rehearings based on their age at the time of the crime and their behavior in prison. Governor Gretchen Whitmer signed several House bills earlier this week that allowed school buses to have cameras to track drivers who fail to stop. Local school districts, however, have to foot the bill. Ishpeming Public Schools Transportation Director Josh Keto says it will be expensive for small districts like theirs, but that a portion of the fines will go back to the school district to help fund the project. The fine for passing a stopped school bus is up to $200. A judge is stepping in and ordering mediation for the dysfunctional Flint City Council as the vacancy for the 3rd ward seat enters its 3rd month. The Flint Ethics and Accountability Board brought legal action against the city council after they failed to have quorums to vote, or, the one time they had a quorum, voted 131 times without filling the seat. The Detroit Fire Department is investigating yesterday morning's fire at Woodbridge Gallery. Firefighters responded to the blaze at the commercial building around 4:15 a.m. When they arrived, crews had to break through windows and doors to battle the flames that ended up burning through the roof. WXYZ reports the building on the city's west side had been vacant for several years. No one was injured, and the department is investigating the cause of the fire. Detroit's outgoing planning director is joining an architectural firm that's involved in the Renaissance Center revamp. The city announced late last month that Antoine Bryant would be leaving for a prestigious private sector job. The Detroit Free Press reports Bryant will lead the firm Gensler, which is advising General Motors and Bedrock on the RenCen project. The firm is taking the lead on the design concept for the proposed $1.6 million revamp, which would demolish 2 towers and overhaul 3. And the deadlines are fast approaching to get holiday cards and packages in the mail in time for Christmas. The deadline to send first-class mail or to use USPS Ground Advantage is December 18th. Priority mail should go out by December 19th. Priority Mail Express items should be sent by December 21st. You're listening to your local news and weather on Ave Maria Radio. This is Michigan Mornings. Your local weather is coming up next. Now this. If you are wrapping up your holiday shopping or just getting started, you want to make sure that you are browsing and shopping online securely. And one way to do that is with NordVPN. NordVPN hides your internet traffic and protects you from potential malware. And NordVPN is trusted by the best. PC Magazine has ranked NordVPN its editor's choice for 2024. Right now, you can get this great Christmas deal. NordVPN is only $2.99 per month. That is 74% off the regular price and an additional 3 months on a top quality VPN. Click the link in the description to get this deal for NordVPN at only $2.99 per month and keep yourself safe online this Christmas season with NordVPN. We're going to have partly sunny skies today in Detroit with a high of 23. Tonight will be mostly cloudy and chilly. Temperatures will drop to 13. Tomorrow will be sunny with highs around 26. Saturday will be mostly sunny, but rain chances increase in the afternoon. It will be warmer with highs around 40. Sunday, rain is likely in the morning and early afternoon. Highs will be in the mid-40s. You're listening to Michigan Mornings on Ave Maria Radio. We're going to have partly sunny skies today in Saginaw. It will be breezy as well, and our high will be 21. Tonight will be partly cloudy and chilly. Temperatures will drop to 11. Tomorrow will be sunny with highs around 24. Saturday will start mostly cloudy, but rain and snow chances increase in the afternoon. It will be warmer with highs around 40. Sunday, rain is likely in the morning and early afternoon. Highs will be in the lower 40s. You're listening to Michigan Mornings on Ave Maria Radio. Welcome back to Michigan Mornings. I'm Matthew Handley. New York authorities say they have forensic evidence that links Luigi Mangione to the murder of UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson. News Nation's Alex Capriello has the details.
When it comes to the fingerprints, they got the fingerprints from Luigi Mangione here in Pennsylvania, and they are a match, according to authorities, to the water bottle and the protein bar wrapper that was found near the crime scene. As for the ballistic evidence, we remember those 3 shell casings that were found after that gun went off. It turns out that those, according to the commissioner, are an identical match to the weapon that was recovered at that McDonald's. So this is all evidence that's going to play into the prosecution's arguments.
Mangione is currently being held in Pennsylvania, where he's fighting extradition to New York. I spoke with Dr. Marcus Peter on Tuesday on Ave Maria in the afternoon. Here's some of our conversation.
There's no way around it. There's something pernicious about the general social reaction about the CEO shooting, Brian Thompson. I'm actually frankly surprised at the glee and celebration at his demise.
You know, I am too. I got the news earlier this week, or last week rather, when I was working, and it's because I work with employees at UnitedHealthcare almost every day with my full-time job, and I had kind of avoided most of the news coverage of it until yesterday, and I had the radio on a different network on Sirius XM, and there were multiple callers expressing the fact that they wouldn't have turned in this guy if they had recognized him in the McDonald's. And in fact, a few of them said, well, I would have given him a nod on the street. And that is an insane place for us to be right now. I can't say for what religion or faith background these people have. I certainly would hope that if they're Christian, they might think and repent a little bit about that, because that is not the reaction we ought to have to any instance at all. Even if, and I say if because we don't know, the CEO was part of he was involved in some illegal activity, the death penalty would have not been on the table for that. And we can't have this sort of vigilante justice when it comes to trying to focus on a real issue, which is our healthcare system here in America. You can listen to the full conversation in the audio archives for Ave Maria in the afternoon by going online to avemariaradio.net. That's going to do it for this edition of Michigan Mornings on a Thursday. I'm Matthew Handley. Stay tuned to Ave Maria Radio for more inspiring, engaging Catholic Talk Radio. Lord willing, I'll talk to you tomorrow. Goodbye.